If you want to delete your search history on X, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to clear your X app history and cache. First, open the X app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Here, you see Setting and Support. Now, go to Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down and tap on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Next, tap on Data Usage. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the Data Storage section. On my device, these options are not showing because this is a new account, so there's no stored history or cache to clear yet. However, I'll still guide you through the process so you can clear it on your device if the options are available. Sometimes new X or Twitter accounts may not display the storage settings yet, and the app layout can also vary depending on your phone or app version, so make sure to check carefully. Here, you'll see different storage options, as shown in the screenshot. First, tap on Media Storage, then select Clear Media Storage to remove cached images and videos from the X app. After that, go back and tap on Web Storage. Now tap on Clear Web Page Storage, and then choose Clear All Web Page Storage. This will remove stored browsing data, cached files, and help clear your search activity on X, formerly known as Twitter. And that's it. That's how to delete search history on X and completely clear the app cache. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more X app tutorials, Twitter tips, and social media how-to guides.